Welcome back and this is Harshita Batra, your English partner for today. और आज मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ 10 बेस्ट WhatsApp wishes जो इस न्यू ईयर पे आप अपने फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली या कलीग्स के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं. So, number 1 is, you are never too old to set another goal. May you win every goal this year. This is the best wish if you wish to someone a very happy beginning of the next year and wish the best of their dream. And the next 2 wishes are for those who have been through the hardest times but has come out flying with rainbow colors. And these are, no matter how hard the past was, you can always begin. May this year welcome all your dreams and turn them into success. Hey, I have a bad news and a good news for you. The bad news is time flies, but the good news is you are the pilot. Happy New Year! Moving on to the next one. We always say keep smiling, keep smiling. But how about we change it and this new year we say it with a new twist. Your smile can keep many hearts alive. May you keep smiling not only this year but coming many more years. And this one is especially for your friends. May you not only sail but slay this year. Or how about, before you start this new year, don't forget to party with your old friend. Before you go out and party with your old friends, let's send some wishes to your colleagues as well. Wishing you the biggest slice of happiness and good luck this coming year. Or you can say, looking forward to work yet another year with a person like you. Wish you a very happy new year. These ones are my favorite and this is for your loved ones. So let's hear it. May all your sorrows fall behind and happiness takes your side as you walk into the new year. Or how about, let this year be the one where all your dreams come true. Well, that's all for today. I'll be signing off, but I'll be back with more videos for the new year. Thank you.